I'm going to show you how to do it with bobby pins here, because that's what I was messing with today to unlock this number 1 from Master Lock. So first of all, you're going to need 2 bobby pins. I've already got one laying down right here in front of me. That'll be our tensioner. That'll go in the top of the keyway. I've already made a wave rake, but I'll show you how to make one of our bobby pins. I think that will work just fine. So here we go, we've got a wave rake. Oh, I thought that I already had it. For some reason, I think I just moved my tensioner out. Oh, there we go. So, there you have it, folks. So, under 5 minutes, basically, how to